So you're a Tuggy. What really going around on the ends when I'm there with you, Brandon and Shotfoot? What really take place? Why Shotfoot shot the youth? Brandon a good youth, so I don't know. No farmer mix up with Brandon inner with nobody at all. So talk up quick and fast and make we know what really going on. Oh, say no.
Boy, after something I know what go on still in a big man levels, you know. I know my dep on the ends and I do see her be a shot fire, be a police, burn down and drop. And then the next thing me know is a shot foot get lick when I'm in the day and the more if you said nothing. Somebody ever told no one what go on after a big man you does.
That your mouth make you say youth. So you really come around here, sir, come chat them bugger foolish this here in the man is. Hey boy, Shotfoot, my man for all the head and slam it on the grill right this you know. About that with the foolishness. So you stalk up and tell man what go on. Let me give you like a small hint. I don't know if you did know still now. It's a CCTV camera footage. We have it. Yeah man, so not talk the right thing. And make us see where can go on to see if we can sink who we really want to sink. Because you're not nobody, nobody know what same you got jail, you know, because you're like a small fry. You need to help to take down the big fish. That's what you need to do. And if you don't help we, God help you because you and him literally are steer 35 to life in its face. So you decide what you want to do. Is either you want to go a road, but you want to easy work with a girl, or you want to go a prison. You go lie down in a cell with one bag of man. You decide.
Judge God, officer, you don't have to take it so far still, you know. Judge God. Officer, you're a master. We can't know what our reasoning, but I want to talk to my lawyer first, officer. I really want to talk to my lawyer first. Because I want to make sure it's anything what Michael said to you right now worthwhile to me. Because in times like these, die man for die oneself. So I want to talk to my lawyer before me can have a serious reasoning about everything.
Yo, bro, you know, second, them no mean to interrupt your interrogation with a big egot criminal boy, you know. But guess what? We just get back a report from the young squaddy there when we send them to the hospital. They call it Bramban report. We get everything what we need for sink that cockroach arm in boss. Further down in the beach, more than which part I'm even there right, you know. So now worry yourself, man, big idiot boy, Tuggy. You don't get what's coming to you because you see, well, Bramban said happen. Or that alone you run a one for year, man. I remember me tell you, 35 to life. Sure.
General Star Officer. So Brandon really called my name, so I want to take him life. Judge God. General Star. Hear me I say that squaddy. Make all that reasoning. Make good talk. Because right I know I should go to prison for them one, you know. And this thing I look like it I got to take a serious turn. So squaddy, make all that reasoning.
Oh, okay. So you finally get some sense in your big head. Anyway, we should go on and our own on the ends. That are we me interested for hear about.
General Star Officer, I don't know what go on, but I don't feel good. I want to do, I want PP Officer, General Star. I don't forget to use the bathroom officer, and I got car taste still in about channel. I forget to use our fire bathroom first. Please, officer, really right. I beg you wanna really right. Right you know. Belly a cut me, officer. I don't know what go on, but Judge God, I not feel good.
Fake friends, they sell me out. Too much time. All this lesson I do, I just teach me how to see I'm blind. But guess what happen? Good have to suffer for the body I know. Can't even tell what my brother know. So me I kick it with myself a little bit. Yeah man, I just I kick it with myself.
Good morning, Brandon. How are you feeling this morning?
Morning nurse. I know so I'm just there. I'm just there still I go and hold it. I go and tough it out through the pain and suffering, but I'm not too bad still.
Okay, Brandon, that is very good to hear. I also have some very good news for you. I just spoke with the doctor and he informed me that you will be discharged at 4 p.m. today. So you can get yourself and get your things together because you will be discharged. I looked at your charts, I looked at your x-rays and everything is going to be okay. You will have 100% full recovery. So you will be just fine, Brandon. The bullet, it went right through, so there was no lodgements, no damage to any internal organs, so you will be fine. Okay, Brandon? You will be fine. All you need to do is just stay home, get some rest, stay off the legs, and make sure to take care of the wound and don't get it infected, okay?
Okay, nurse, now I hear you. Right here, I still, man. I listen to you perfectly well, and me hear you perfectly clear. I hear you.
Laris, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please forgive my son for not sounding a bit more appreciative. He's going through a lot right now, nurse, and his mind is just not in its right place, so please forgive him.
It's okay, Mom. I totally understand. I'm pretty sure this is a very traumatic experience for him, so I get it. I understand.
John Star, I don't know what kind of bad feelings this just overtake my body just so, you know. My belly just start, cut me just so, charge of God. Right now, I don't even know where to do. I don't know what is to find myself, you know. Because if I not go get the police, them I go the reasoning at 35 to life. And anyhow, I go say the wrong thing to them. I know better than stay. I know the general head plug out more time. And then just get corrupt on no business, you know. I have my woman and pick you out the road the star. And I know is a man. But we send man go lick them well quick and fast. All my mother, Chan star. What is me get myself in a door, God? Jaja.
So what kind of question the police boy them ask around there? What you tell them, say boy Tuggy? Make sure say you hold it in the dark. And about sell out the thing, you know. Just make sure.
No man, my dream man, we are talking about man sell out what? You don't know some man you're a real soldier, my general man. We are talking about me nala sell out the general. No day, no how. You don't know some my thing loyal. Right yourself. So we are talking about my general. But with them an argument them man. Man a real G them man. Man can hold it. Furthermore, when time them ask my question around there, I mean give them the right answer. I lick the man lick up all need and wall star and I just wall out like a G and just know say yo, anything or anything but me nah sell out the general.